Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ananya. If you're new here, please subscribe. And welcome to part 2 of the Bali vlog. I am currently in Ubud, but we are heading to Nusa Penida now. First, we need to take a ferry, a speedboat rather. It's of 30 minutes. We need to go to the Sanur port right now. So yeah, come along with me. So you can go to Nusa Penida via a ferry only. It's an island. Can be easily booked in Bali as there are many travel agents. Make sure to negotiate for the best prices. There's a ferry every few hours or so you can easily book it even a day or two prior. And most ferry ticket packages will give you a pick and drop facility also. Here's our ferry, and let me give you a warning. It's extremely small and claustrophobic. Gotta survive that 1 hour somehow while enjoying all the blue water around you. And we've reached Nusa Penida. You'll find many taxi drivers at the port itself to take you to your hotel. You need to pay a tourist tax in Nusa Penida before entering. Hey guys, so we finally made it to Nusa Penida. बहुत अजीब सी ferry ride थी. But anyway, we've made it here. And Nusa Penida, this island is beautiful. We just checked into our hotel as well. We're staying at Arsa Santhi. And this is our room for the next 2 days. And quite a decent hotel. I like the property. Rooms are small but nice, cute, cozy. But we have absolutely no time to waste क्योंकि हमें Nusa Penida में 2 sides cover करनी है, the east side and the west side. We have today and tomorrow, and then day after we just check out. Today we have decided to go to the west side of Nusa Penida. So yeah, let's go. Quite a long journey to the west side. The roads are not the best, but we made it to our first destination, that is Angels Billabong, a natural infinity pool on the rugged coast of Nusa Penida. This stunning rock formation creates a crystal clear lagoon that seems to merge with the ocean and beyond. This is actually accessible for swimming during the low tide, but of course it's super risky. And right next to the Angels Billabong, you'll spot nature's own spectacular show. Watch as the powerful waves crash against the rocky cliffs. Next up, right here, if you walk for about 10 minutes, you will reach the Broken Beach. So basically, it was an entire cliff, but then अपने आप वो beach में से टूट गया. So there's a big round hole in the cliff, and it's now called the Broken Beach. You can't swim here, but the view is amazing. Now, while going to our next destination, we stopped at the spot in the middle for some amazing views and pictures, of course. So we've now come to the Kelinkin beach, and यहाँ पे काफी ज़्यादा walk करना पड़ता है. You need to go down. So yeah, we're just walking. Let's see. There's not a lot of time because हमें सारी चीजें cover करनी है west side पे. So let's see हम कितना नीचे जाते हैं. And it's really sunny also, very hot, but views are obviously amazing. अब इस जगह के बारे में तुमने definitely सुना होगा. This is the Kelinkin beach, and wow, just look at that view. This place is famous for its T-Rex shaped cliffs. Yes, it basically looks like a dinosaur. Getting down to the beach is really tricky though. There are steep stairs and it takes about 45 minutes to an hour, but the view from up here is amazing too. And Kelinkin Beach is one of Nusa Penida's top spots. You can see why. Next up, Crystal Bay. The water here is super clear and apparently it's great for swimming, but we found the water to be extremely sandy and rocky. Honestly, there wasn't much to do here, so we decided to go to a beach club along the bay, which is Secret Penida. So the most beautiful sunset, all the colors, oh my god, just so pretty, and had some great food. Hey guys, so we're back from our West Side tour and it was a very tiring day. So I'm just chilling in my bed. So now let's talk about the day today. Honestly, I have very mixed feelings about Nusa Penida. मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है सिर्फ Instagram पे सब कुछ इतना ज़्यादा hype कर दिया है. Now obviously Nusa Penida में views बहुत ही मस्त हैं for sure. But it just seems like you have so less time and तुम्हें बस हर जगह जाना है, फोटो खींचनी है और वहां से फटाफट भागना है because you have to go to another spot. That was exactly what was happening today. पहले हमने वो एंजल्स विलाबोंग और ब्रोकन बीच देखा, फिर वहां से भाग के हम लोग कैलिंकन पे आ गए एंड बिकॉज वी डोंट हैव इनफ टाइम एंड प्लस ऑब्वियसली गोइंग डाउन कैलिंकन इज इंसेनली टफ. पूरा हाइक करके जाना पड़ेगा, बहुत ज्यादा टाइम चाहिए. सो यू डोंट डू दैट, यू गेट अ पिक्चर फ्रॉम द टॉप. देन अगेन वी रश टू क्रिस्टल बे. क्रिस्टल बे तो इट इज सच अ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट. आई वुड सजेस्ट नॉट गोइंग बिकॉज इट्स लाइक अ नॉर्मल बीच, इतना कुछ खास भी नहीं है. इफ यू बिन टू अदर बीच प्लेसेस तो आई एम श्योर यू सीन बेटर. इससे अच्छा आई वुड हाईली रेकमेंड तुम कैलिंकन पे नीचे हाइक करके जाओ बिकॉज आई थिंक इट कुड बी अ गुड एक्सपीरियंस लाइक टू गो थ्रू दैट टफ हाइक एंड देन फाइनली तुम नीचे जाके वो ब्यूटीफुल बीच का व्यू एंजॉय कर सकते हो. एंड इट्स ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ प्राइवेट बीच बिकॉज हार्डली पीपल गो डाउन. इट्स वेरी टफ एंड लॉन्ग, अदरवाइज इट्स जस्ट एन इंस्टाग्राम स्पॉट. ऑब्वियसली अब कल देखते हैं क्या होता है. होपफुली इस साइड विल बी बेटर. ओके, अनदर थिंग हियर इज ऑफ कोर्स इफ यूर लाइक सोलो ट्रैवलर और यूर विद योर फ्रेंड्स देन यू विल टेक अ स्कूटी. तो स्कूटी से तुम लिटरली कहीं भी जा सकते हो, तो दैट्स very good. But if you book like a private taxi or a car, that is you take up the tour, so they only give you the car for 5 hours and तुम सिर्फ वो जगह कवर कर सकते हो and like 5 hours is nothing. सब कुछ जल्दी जल्दी करना पड़ेगा, फोटो खींचो और वहां से निकलो. And Nusa Penida में everything is really far and the roads are obviously not that great also, so हर जगह जाने में टाइम तो लगता ही है. But let's hope कि कल अच्छा होगा. We'll get some good views, good photos. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day in Nusa Penida and I'm all ready. Got these new accessories from Bali itself, from Ubud. It also actually rained right here. You can see the weather is very cloudy and hopefully it stays like this. Garmi nahi ho to bhi better hai because yesterday was super hot and it should also not rain. So yeah, let's see. Aaj hum east tour pe ja rahe but we decided to go like really late because we are so tired of waking up early every single day. So yeah, I think in a half an hour or so we're gonna leave for our east side tour. Let's see how that goes and I'll take you guys along with me. Oh, by the way, Nusa Penida is also very famous for snorkeling. They call it swimming with the manta rays. You can do that early in the morning before you head out for one of the tours. So basically they'll take you to the middle of the ocean at 2-3 spots where manta rays can be spotted. So again, that's a unique experience if you've never done snorkeling before. Get ready for some amazing views. This scenic route is full of surprises. The roads wind through hills and along cliffs and look out the window. You'll see lush green forests and fields while driving along the bay. This drive shows you a different side of Nusa Penida. It's less touristy and more natural. The east side of Nusa Penida is a real hidden gem. We've arrived at Diamond Beach and wow, it's a stunner. The beach got its name because of this diamond-shaped rock. The sand is super white and the water is a beautiful turquoise color. Getting down to the beach is an adventure. There are steep stairs cut into the cliff and even if you don't want to go down, the view from the top is breathtaking. Right next to the Diamond Beach, we've got the Atu Beach. It's another beauty and it's also much easier to go down to the beach. But unfortunately, it's a low tide right now, so there's no point of going to the beach. Okay, so we've decided to go down the stairs. Let's see हम कितना आगे तक जा सकते हैं. अभी तो सही है रास्ता, like proper stairs है, but नीचे जाके there is no way. दिख भी नहीं रहा ज़्यादा, so let's see नीचे जाके पता चलेगा क्या होगा. But views तो बहुत ही बढ़िया है. Okay, so we made it halfway there, but after that point, the climb gets extremely tough. There are no roads, no steps. सिर्फ रस्सी पे लटक लटक के जाना है. And वापस ऊपर आने में I'm already so tired. Yeah, I think the views from above are also equally good. So now we've come to the tree house. This is also the last spot in our east tour. यहाँ पे 3 जगह है फोटो खींचने के लिए और tree house. There's another Thousand Island viewpoint and a 5 King viewpoint. So let's see. गाइज क्या स्कैम हो रहा है हमारे साथ. फर्स्ट दे ऑलरेडी टुक एन एंट्री फी ऑफ 25,000 पर पर्सन जस्ट टू एक्सेस दिस व्यू व्हाटएवर. अब तुम्हें ट्री हाउस से फोटो खींचनी है तो तुम्हें अलग से 75,000 देना है. नॉट वर्थ इट एट ऑल. एक व्यू के लिए लिटरली हर जगह से सेम व्यू दिख रहा है. डायमंड बीच का व्यू वाज मच बेटर. व्हाई वुड वी स्पेंड ऑन दिस? So there is a tree house जहाँ से ये फोटो आएगा, but instead you can just take a Thousand Island viewpoint here. So in Nusa Penida, if you want to enjoy any of the viewpoints, the beaches, please be prepared for a lot of hiking. Literally any place you go, you have to hike, and definitely it's not everyone's cup of tea. फालतू में इतना चढ़वा दिया. It is definitely not worth coming here. इससे तो तुम डायमंड बीच की हाइक कर लो. एटलीस्ट कुछ मजा आएगा, कुछ व्यू होगा, कुछ रिवॉर्ड होगा ऑफ द हाइक. दिस इज एन एब्सोल्यूट वेस्ट. कोई जरूरत नहीं आने की यहाँ पे. ऊपर से तो फनीस्ट पार्ट है कि हर चीज़ के पैसे. लाइक व्हाई डू यू पे दी एंट्री फी? अगर तुम्हें हर फोटो के लिए पैसे देने पड़ेंगे तो हर पॉइंट पे पैसे देने पड़ेंगे एक्सेप्ट दैट 1000 आइलैंड व्यू पॉइंट जो एक क्लिफ है बस. दैट्स इट. सेम व्यू तुम्हें डायमंड बीच से मिल रहा था. सो गॉड आई एम सो टायर्ड. After that long hike, we were really hungry, so we came to the best beach club of Nusa Penida, that is Cactus Beach Club. It's the perfect spot to chill out, very spacious property. The food here was amazing and even the drinks, definitely value for money and a great way to end our tour of the east side. Later in the evening, we just explored the area near our hotel and called it a night. Guys, so it's my last day here in Nusa Penida. In fact, we're just leaving this beautiful place and we're gonna head towards the port and take our ferry to Sanur. And वहाँ से हम लोग finally जाने वाले हैं to Kuta and वहाँ से Uluwatu भी जा सकते हैं. So yeah, that's the next plan. But let me give you the final verdict on Nusa Penida now. I've seen both the sides. So obviously Nusa Penida is a tourist trap. Instagram पे बहुत ज़्यादा hype कर दिया है इसे. And it only makes sense to come to Nusa Penida if you like hiking and also if you really care about those perfect Instagram pictures. And also the east side is much better than the west side. But the east side, the route itself, it is so picturesque and beautiful. पूरे bay के along तुम जा रहे होते हो. And then east side पे all of the places are nearby. But in west side you need to go to different places after a lot of traveling in the car. So that is not fun. And ऐसे तो हम अत्तू बीच भी नहीं जा पाए because low tide था. डायमंड बीच में hiking बहुत ज़्यादा है. So it totally depends on you if this is something you actually want to do. इससे अच्छा तुम शायद दूसरे islands cover कर सकते हो like Nusa Dua, Nusa Lembongan, because this is very touristy. हर जगह इतनी ज़्यादा भीड़ है. So yeah, that's the reality of coming to Nusa Penida. Yes, the views are stunning for sure, no doubt about that. But you decide if it's worth the time, effort and money. But yeah, it was a fun visit of course. 2 nights spent well here. And now it's time to go to the next and the last place of Bali. So yeah, I'm gonna end this episode right here. So if you made it till here, then comment these emojis and thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, then don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Share this video with your friends. Follow me on Instagram and until next time, bye.